Now, we really didn't see this coming, did we? The Swedish automaker Volvo has revealed a new engine concept, which proves two things. One, it's got unique sense of humor, and second, the new hatchback will accelerate to moon. Woohoo! Alright, so you will find a 4-cylinder motor at heart. The power plant gets two parallel turbochargers that are fed by electrically powered turbo compressor. The turbo compressor spools up the two turbos. Does that sound interesting? Wait, that's not all. There's a dual fuel pump pressured at 250 bar. It's compact and says Volvo, designed to enhance weight distribution and lower the center of gravity. So it doesn't really make a difference if it's a street car or a race car. What do you think of Volvo's new concept? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to us.